In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or change the ticket pipeline connected to your Hubspot inbox. This setup is useful when you want messages coming into your shared inbox, like email or chat, to automatically create support tickets. It helps your team track requests, assign ownership, and move conversations through a consistent support process. I will walk you through where to find the setting and how to save the change correctly. First, go to your Hubspot settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the top navigation bar, and click it. This takes you to the main settings area where Hubspot keeps all the account and tool configurations. Next, move to the left sidebar and find the inbox settings. The quickest way is to use the search field in the settings sidebar and type inbox. In the results, select the option for inboxes. This opens the section where you can manage all the inboxes connected to your account. Now choose the specific inbox you want to update. There will be a drop-down menu near the top of the page. Open that drop-down and select the inbox that matches the team or channel you are working on. This is important because changes you make here apply only to the inbox you select. After you are in the correct inbox, click the Connected Channels tab. This is where Hubspot lists the channels that feed messages into that inbox, such as a team email address or a live chat channel. Find the channel you want to adjust. Hover your mouse over that channel entry and then click Edit. This opens the configuration options for how that channel behaves when messages come in. In the channel settings, turn on the option labeled Treat Incoming Messages as Support Tickets. When this is enabled, Hubspot will create tickets from new incoming messages so your support pipeline can manage them. Then set your preferred ticket status using the drop-down selections provided. Choose the status that makes the most sense as the starting point for new tickets created from inbox messages, so your team can quickly recognize what needs attention. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Always make sure you save before leaving the page, or your updates will not take effect. That covers everything you need to know.